Hello there, welcome back to Nur SM. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to remove video background properly. The video background color could be green or any other background color. We will change this green screen video into this video with a beautiful custom picture background. So you can set your own picture as a video background depending on your project. In this video, I will show you how to remove video background on Camtasia video editing software. I also have other tutorial about how to remove video background online and by using other software. I will put the video link in the description below this video. Let's open Camtasia video editing software and import the video you want to remove its background and the picture background that you want to set as a background for your video. To do so, click on Media and click on Import Media. After importing the asset, simply select and drag the picture background to the timeline and extend its duration. Rename our track to avoid confusion during editing, which is an important step during any video editing. Now let's add a solid shape above the image layer. To do so, click on an annotation and then shape and select the white solid color and drag and drop to the timeline. Resize our shape to fit the canvas. Then click on Media and drag and drop our video above all layers. And rename it. The video looks like this. So to remove the green background, simply click on More and select Visual Effects. Scroll down and select the Remove Color effect. And drag and drop on our video. Click on the Show Effect icon and select Remove Color option. Then go to the Properties panel and select the Color Selection option. And then select the Color Selector icon. Click on the color on the video to remove it. As you see, the green color is selected and removed. Let's change our solid background to black to see whether the effect is successful or not. Let's zoom in our video. As you see, there is a remaining green color around her hair, so we need to remove the remaining color. We can use the tolerance and softness options. Now the green color is completely removed. Let's fit our video to the canvas size. Let's make our solid color background invisible by clicking on the eye sign from here. As you see, we have applied our picture as a video background. Let's export and see our final video. If you want to get more later tips and tricks for the future, please subscribe and hit the bell icon below this video. Here is our video. It is cool. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description below this video for the latest updates and free resources to download.